look at this. It's a nice big boat. Heading somewhere out there. It's 5:30 a.m. Hi, David here with Suicide Fishing, Palau and Offshore Adventures. On the Bluebird charter, we're going to go out on the outer rim of Honda Bay where it drops into some deep water and see if we can't hook up on something. So we are spending the time preparing right now, and hopefully we can catch some fish. So our host is the Bluebird charters. Let's see what happens. On the Bluebird boat, charter boat out of Puerto Princesa City, and they put us right on the fish. Our first guest to own, first guest, fish on, Wait Tapos, Dalawa Minuto, Ako, fish on. Oh, and in English, the guest got the fish, and then I did. So, what you're seeing now is the Bluebird, completely outfitted with the boat crew, bathrooms and cooks. And our location is outside of Puerto, about 5 miles. So, ano, malaki? Small? Ay, nako! Liwit? Ah! Well, go ahead, video that liwit. But, you got it! Yes! I got a small one too, so. This one's Maliet. Siguro, tatlo kilos.
Cellphone na to. Talaga.
Liwit! Liwit!
Liwit.
Ay, nako, liwit.
Oh.
Maliet!
Same.
Same.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Liit. Ganso ka pa. Saan? Ganen. Ganso ka pa. Ito na ako. Ay, liwit.
Ay.
Ah. Ganen.
All right.
A few moments later.
And guess what? Shan Kaibigan is on! Alright. There it is, on the bottom. Finally. Point the camera over there.
valuable than the fish?
Oh, don't tell me.
Nice doggy.
Yeah. I'm
Wow!
Awesome! Yeah, got it, man.
I'll take it. You gotta untangle this mess.
May bonus. Nakis-kiss lang, no? Puto talaga. Oh. Oo. Ang gaan lang nung una eh. Nung gitna na siya bumigat. Ooh. Masarap!
Yummy!
Ano, ayaw mo sikat? On Bluebird, that's what you get. You get good food, and then you catch fish like this. Wow! And the person that caught this, Mr. Shan Kaibigan.
What's up? Thank you for having us on board.
Yeah. Ay, nako. Absolutely enjoying this trip. So, you want to have a good time, good food, and good people working on the boat. Bluebird. Go out and give someone you love a hug and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Salute!